Hello everyone to English for WBcs platform. Today we will be the top 10 important amendment questions. So here are the steps how you can avail our courses, and do not forget to use the discount coupon SB10 for a 10% instant discount while paying. Okay, so now starting with the questions. The first question: which Amendment Act introduced a common high court for two or more states? So the first option is Fifth Amendment Act, it's sixth and then seventh and eighth. So which one do you think is the correct option? A common high court for two or more states. The correct option is option C, which is the Seventh Amendment Act. And the Seventh Amendment Act was made in 1956. Remember the year. This is a very important question. Yes, it's the correct option C, Seventh Amendment Act, 1956. So now coming to the second question. Which Constitutional Amendment Act incorporated Dadra, Nagar, Haveli in the Union of India as a union territory? So option A is 5th, option B 6th, option C 10th, and option D 9th. Not only just remember the right answer, but also the year in which the amendment took place, okay? So the correct is the 10th Amendment Act, okay, which took place in 1961. So in the 10th Amendment Act, Dadra, Nagar and Haveli was incorporated in the Union of India as a union territory. Okay. So now coming to the next question. Which Constitutional Amendment Act incorporated Goa, Daman and Diu in the Indian Union as a union territory? Don't confuse the questions, okay? So this question is for Goa, Daman and Diu in the Indian Union as a union territory. So this will be the 12th Amendment Act, okay? The 12th Amendment Act incorporated this, and the 12th Amendment Act took place in 1962. So the correct option is option D. So again, now coming to the fourth question. Which Constitutional Amendment Act made President's assent to constitutional bill compulsory? This is very important question. প্রেসিডেন্টের অ্যাসেন্ট কম্পালসরি করেছে কোন অ্যামেন্ডমেন্ট অ্যাক্টে? So this is 24th Amendment Act. 24th Amendment Act, which took place in 1971. Yes. Now coming to the fifth question. Which Amendment Act formed Nagaland with special status? Remember this word, special status. So option A is 14th, option B 13th, option C 21st, option D is 28th. Which one do you think is the correct option? Nagaland with special status. It's option B, the 13th Amendment Act. 13th Amendment Act took place in 1962. I'm telling repeatedly, remember the year, remember the year. Yes, I told the special status word is important because Nagaland was formed with special status under Article 371A. Very important information. Remember this. So coming to the next question, question 6. Which Amendment Act curtailed the fundamental right to property? These are very basic questions, but these are very important. This is important for WBCS as well as CHSL, CGL, MTS, all kind of SSC exams, okay? Which Amendment Act curtailed the fundamental right to property? The correct option is option C. It's 25th Amendment Act. So 25th Amendment Act took place in 1971. Remember this, okay? So now coming to question 7. Which Amendment Act made Sikkim a full-fledged state in India? This is again a very important question. This question is made to play with students' mind, Don't just mark a option only just seeing the name Sikkim, because there will be two questions. Again, I will come with the next question. You will see that. Which Amendment Act made Sikkim a full-fledged state in India? There are two amendments related to Sikkim. So remember that. This will be the 36th Amendment Act. 36th Amendment Act, which took place in 1975. In 1975, Sikkim was made a full-fledged state in India. Yes, now this question. Which Amendment Act gives Sikkim the status of associate state from protectorate state? So সিকিম ফুল ফ্লেজেড স্টেট হওয়ার আগে নিশ্চয়ই একটা প্রোটেক্টেড অ্যাসোসিয়েট স্টেট হবে, তাই না? আগে সিকিম প্রোটেক্টেড স্টেট ছিল, সেখান থেকে অ্যাসোসিয়েট স্টেট করা হয়েছে। সো দ্যাট ইজ থ্রু 35th অ্যামেন্ডমেন্ট অ্যাক্ট। অ্যান্ড তারপরে 36th অ্যামেন্ডমেন্ট অ্যাক্টে লাস্ট কোয়েশ্চনে বললাম সিকিমকে ফুল ফ্লেজেড স্টেট অফ ইন্ডিয়া বলা হয়েছে। সো রিমেম্বার দ্য ইয়ার, ইটস 1974। একদম সিকোয়েন্স আছে, 1974 and 35th amendment act, আর ওটা ছিল 1975 36th amendment act. So it's easier for you to remember. Okay, now coming to question number 9. Which amendment act incorporated Pondicherry in the Indian Union? Option A is 31st, option B 14th, option C 42nd, option D is 14th. So the correct option is option B, 14th Amendment Act. 14th Amendment Act incorporated Pondicherry in the Indian Union, and the 14th Amendment Act took place in 1962. Important, remember this. আচ্ছা, 14th Amendment Act আরো একটা জিনিস হয়েছিল, Union Territory of HP, Manipur, Tripura, Goa, Daman and Diu, and Pondicherry were provided with legislature and Council of Ministers. So 14th Amendment Act এ শুধু পন্ডিচেরি যে ইনকর্পোরেটেড হয়েছে এটা মনে রাখলেই হবে না, ইউনিয়ন টেরিটরিজ অফ এইচপি, মণিপুর, ত্রিপুরা, গোয়া, দামান এন্ড দিউ, পন্ডিচেরিকে provided with legislature and Council of Minister. Very important. Okay, so now coming to the most important question, question number 10. Which amendment act decreased the voting age from 21st, from 21 to 18 for both Lok Sabha and Legislative Assembly elections? So this is a very common question and most important question. Okay, so this is the correct option is option B, 61st Amendment Act. And 61st Amendment Act হয়েছিল 1988. Okay, so today this much.